Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to edit or add robot.txt file in WordPress. So it's very simple. You just need to log in your WordPress website. And here I'm already logged in. You can see I'm on the dashboard page. So now you have to understand that if you already have any SEO plugin like a Yoast or Rank Math, you have inbuilt functionality of robot.txt editor. If you don't have and don't want any SEO plugin, so what you can do, you can click on plugins and then click on add plugins and search here robots, right? And here you can see WP robots txt. So easily you can install and activate, and then you can start editing your robot.txt. But I would recommend that you must have SEO plugin in your WordPress website, and you can easily use it. So what you can do here, you mouse over and then click here tools and then click here file editor, and here you can see your roper.txt already exists. If don't, you can create. You can find here a option. So suppose I want to add sitemap semicolon https. Make sure you must use here absolute URL for your XML sitemap. Sitemap not XML. So before I save it, let's see what we have. You can easily check instantly. You can check. So this is my robot.txt. Every page is indexed. I mean, crawlable. Click here. Now I want to save this, and here I want to press, and you can see the changes. Instantly, you can see the changes. Dash to your website and do anything here. So it's very simple. So thank you so much. If you have any query, you can ask me on this website techchance.com, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.